Starting your own practice is an exciting endeavor, and with it comes many important questions to answer. For example, should you locate in an office building, retail center, or medical complex? What's the right amount of square footage? Should you lease or purchase your office space? If you lease, how do you ensure you obtain the most favorable terms, including lowest lease rate, highest tenant improvement allowance, and other concessions? Are you prepared to negotiate other business deal points, including demolition or relocation clauses, holdover and assignability provisions? And the questions keep coming. Thankfully, CARR Healthcare Realty has the answers you need. We are the nation's leading provider of commercial real estate services and help more healthcare tenants and buyers open their first office than any other real estate firm. We start by defining each client's unique requirements. We then perform detailed research and due diligence, allowing us to identify and pre-qualify the top properties that best fit their requirement. Our proven method of skilled negotiating ensures our clients receive the best terms possible, saving them a substantial amount of time and money while avoiding costly pitfalls and complications. Along the way, we make sure our clients are connected with the best partners to complete every aspect of their team, including healthcare-specific lenders, CPAs, attorneys, architects, contractors, equipment and merchandise reps, insurance, credentialing, marketing, and several more. Best of all, our services never cost our clients, as commissions in commercial real estate are paid by the landlord or seller, just like in residential real estate. If you are considering opening your own practice, we would love the opportunity to speak with you further and explain our proven method of helping first-time practice owners not only find the best location, but even more importantly, achieve the most favorable terms possible. CARR Healthcare Realty. Only healthcare, only tenants and buyers.